Good morning, guys. We're in Prague right now. We actually arrived yesterday, so we are staying here at Prague Old Town. Our hotel is located here, such a very nice location. So this is our home for the next few days. It's very cozy, spacious, and only a walking distance to the most important spots in Prague Old Town. Today is our first official full day here. We haven't had breakfast yet because we wanted to see first the famous Charles Bridge. Are still closed. It's only a 15-minute walk from our hotel. And by the way, there's an Easter market going on, so it's really expected to be packed once the markets are open. On the way to the Charles Bridge, we're able to see the main square and the astronomical clock, which is one of the most famous spots in Prague. We really loved walking around the empty streets. Every corner is so beautiful without the crowd. It's so quiet and peaceful. I would really recommend you to come here before 9 a.m. before it gets busy. Approaching the Charles Bridge. Charles Bridge is the oldest stone bridge in Europe. It's the most important connection between the Prague Castle, the city's old town, and other neighboring areas. It's the most iconic and picturesque spot here in Prague, so it's really packed most of the time. The best time to go here is early in the morning or during the blue hour for more dramatic vibe. So it's starting to get busy now as we are also starting to get hungry. Now it's time to grab some breakfast. There's a cafe called The Spot and they really have tasty breakfast or brunch options. And now we're here at the Powder Tower or Powder Gate. It is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. but if you come before 11 a.m., you'll get a 50% discount. And yes, be prepared to climb the spiral and narrow stairs to the top of the tower, and then you'll enjoy the panoramic view of the city.
I'm sick of waiting for the right word to come to me. Feels like I'm wasting time away. Well, she's got her hair up top in a messy bun.
From the Powder Gate, we're gonna walk for about 50 minutes because we're going to visit the Petrine Tower. Walking around here is really enjoyable. There are so many nice random buildings and corners to enjoy. Cherry blossom tree. Our plan is to take the funicular ride to the Petrine Tower. Unfortunately, it's closed, so we just decided to just walk around. And actually, seeing these spring blooms is quite a surprise for us. We didn't expect to see lots of cherry blossoms here in Prague. It's just so blissful to see and experience that sakura feeling in here. No need to go to Japan. Sakura is here.
Never been to California, never been to LA. So I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down. So I'll lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round.
The tower. It's the mini version of the Eiffel Tower. You can go up, but I think there's no elevator. We were feeling so exhausted, so we just skipped climbing the Petrin Tower since there's no elevator, and instead we continued walking to the castle. Now we are back in the old town's main square where the Easter markets are. It's totally packed. I'm just so happy we're able to enjoy this spot all for ourselves this morning, especially where the astronomical clock is. One traditional pastry that's very famous here is the chimney cake. You can find it at almost every corner. Speaking of traditional food, so for dinner we got potato soup served in bread. It's super tasty, and then I also ordered crispy pork knuckle. Good morning, it's day 2 in Prague, and now we're having breakfast at the cafe called Food Lab. It's very aesthetic and the food is really good. Now we're gonna visit another famous and most photographed building in Prague called the Dancing House. It's only about 15-minute walk from the Charles Bridge, and the building is really unique and fun to look at. So there's a terrace view on the 7th floor of the building that opens from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. For you to enter, it's either you pay 100 Czech crowns per person or buy some drinks.
I'm sick of waiting for the right word to come to me. Feels like I'm wasting time away.
So we also booked a guided tour to a famous library in Prague called Clementino. The library is very impressive, but we had other expectations before coming here. We thought we could walk inside the library, but during the tour, you wouldn't be allowed to walk inside. Instead, they open a small viewing area, just enough for visitors to take pictures, and each group has only 10 minutes to take turns and see the inside of the library. Also, part of the tour is the astronomical tower with a view of the historical center. for dinner, we just wanted something fast, so we're back to the Easter market. I got grilled chicken and hot dog for Philip. So it's our last day now. Let's have breakfast here at Bagueterie Boulevard. We're so curious to eat here since we arrived here in Prague. They have quite lots of options and affordable prices, plus the food is excellent. So our flight is at 8 in the evening, so we technically still have almost a full day to enjoy the place. So we're back to the Charles Bridge and walked straight to the neighborhood on the other side of the bridge, which is also one worth checking out. We've seen so many beautiful corners here, and the old tram is also very classic to look at. We didn't do that much, we just wanted to walk around and enjoy the vibe and the beautiful weather. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you next time.